Hello children, once again continuing with clearance of the confusion. So now sometimes you get confusion with such things. Root x plus root y is equal to what? 2 root x plus root x, something like this one. So let me explain you one by one the situations where you have to solve the solution. While solving the problems, in the middle of the solution you will get such concepts. So how to solve such things, okay? Now listen here. Root x plus root y, these are for unlike source. Okay, the radical is different here. This is x and this is y. We cannot add this one. Answer of this one is, as it is root x plus root y. Even if you write this way, it is wrong. Root of x plus y is wrong. Okay. Sometimes what happens, most of the children, what they say, I have solved everything in the paper, but even then I have not got the full marks, because sometimes you may do the mistakes. These are called silly mistakes, okay, which often happens with most of the students. So let me clear all the basic concepts related to these roots and even the decimal numbers, addition of positive numbers, and the fractions, and all those things I'll solve and I'll show you in all my videos where you can clear all your confusions. The video is named confusion, clearance of the confusion. In that you can go through all the concepts where people get confused while solving the problem, and the whole thing depends on this one. So children, observe all my videos and refer and clear all your doubts and the confusions. Okay, now proceeding with this one. Now look at this one. It is something like this: 2 root x plus root x. Now you can add. You can add the density is nothing but here, and its opposite is 1. These are like such. 2 root x plus 1 root x is equal to 3 root x. Okay. Now most of the children, they say like this one: 3 root 2x, which is wrong. Okay. They write this one. 2 root x plus root x is 2 plus 1 is 3 root x, and it is not equal to 3 root 2x. Remember this one, children. So now let me proceed with the next one. Here 2 root x plus 3 root y. So what you people make mistake, some students they write it like this: 5 root of x plus y, which is wrong. Okay, here once again it is similar to the previous one. These are unlike surds. We cannot add. Then answer of this one is 2 root x plus 3 root y. We cannot simplify this one. We can stop here. Understood? Okay, now proceeding to the next one. Okay, this looks simple, and it is simple of course. 3 root x plus 5 root x is similar to this one. You are writing 3 plus 5, 8. Don't write x plus x as 2x or x square. It is simple 8 root x. This is not equals to 8 root 2x, and it is not equal to 8 root x square. Okay, I have seen most of the students writing solution or answer of this one in different ways. So children, don't get confused. These source, it is 3 apples plus 5 apples is equal to 8 apples. This way. Okay, this is a term like this one. Okay, it shows like this one: 3 apples plus 5 apples is equal to 8 apples. The same way now look at this one. Okay, you have 3 terms: 3 root x plus root x plus 10 root x. Very simple. Nothing else it is 1. Okay. Don't add x, and don't add x cube. Simple. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 10 is 14 root x. Okay. Now this will not end here. Now one more confusion comes here. For this extent, you people say, this is like this one. Where you people confuse once again, where you have like this one: root x into root y. Get confused, is it? Now root x into root y is root of x and y. We can multiply the unlike surds, but we cannot add them. Okay, this is root of xy. It is not multiplication I'll take 2 root x into root x. Look at this, okay, interesting. Into, okay, 2 ones are 2. Don't write 2 plus 1 3. This is multiplication. 2 ones are 2. Root x into root x is root x square. Here I am multiplying these x square, okay. So this is equals to 2 root x square makes it x, because square root of x square is x. So you are getting 2 root of x square is 2x. Okay. Now proceeding with the next one, you have the third one is 3 root x into 5 root x. Look at this one. 3 5s are 15. Root x into root x is root x square, which is equals to 15x. Why? Root of x square, as you know, it is x. This way you are writing. Okay. Now this one I go with multiplication. So look at this one. 3 root x into root x into 10 root x. Okay. First, otherwise, if you are getting confused, if you get confused, sometimes you can do nothing, which is multiply 3 into 1 into 10. In 3 root x into 10 root x, you are writing as 3 into 1 into 10 root x, that you are writing whole root x into x into x. This can be written as 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30, root of x into x into x, it is x cube. This is x square. X square into x is x cube. And here I am not writing x cube. Look at this one. I am writing this one as x square into x, as square root of x square is x root x. This way. See, lots of difference. This you have got addition as 14 root x. If it is with multiplication, you are getting answer this way. If it is addition of such things, it is 3 root 6 and 5 root x, you are getting 8 root x. The same thing when it goes with multiplication, you are getting 15x. The same thing goes with this one. It is like this one, and here this way, and this is 3 root x. Okay, you have something like this one. This is 2x, and that one is what one is like this one. Just to compare, practice more and more sums and clear all your confusions once again. So follow all my videos, say confusions, where you get these things clear.